Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we are going to be starting a full new series. It's going to be called Glowforge to the Point series. These are going to be shorter videos in 2021 versus 2018 that I've done in the past that were a little bit longer. This way, newer members can get started quicker. If you like longer, more in-depth videos, I have that too. You can go to our channel page on YouTube here. Scroll down and click the new Glowforge user guide walkthrough. This is going to be 21 videos that are a lot longer, so you can check those out if you want more in depth. These are going to be more to the point. If you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe, follow along. I really would appreciate it. And if you don't own a Glowforge yet and you're trying to learn, this is going to be a real quick overview lesson of how to do so. You can click the link below to save some money on a Glowforge. It also helps support the channel here as I get money back from it as well. So let's go ahead and get to the point, and we'll jump into this first topic here. So the first topic is going to be your dashboard. This is going to be after you unbox your Glowforge and you're ready to do your first print. Basically, this is going to be the main website that you're going to go to. It's going to be app.glowforge.com. This is going to be everything that you use to and from your Glowforge, whether it's sending SVG files to your Glowforge to actually cut out, or tracing images from your Glowforge back to the UI and then sending it back to the Glowforge again. So this is basically what your dashboard will look like. You have your create button. This is how you'll upload designs. We'll do that in the next video. This is going to be all your past designs. These little logos that you see here, you may not see yourself. These are going to be the free Glowforge Premium software. This came out just recently, so you won't see these in the older videos. So I just wanted to point that out really quickly here. We'll get to that later too on how you can do that as well. And then basically over here, if you need some walkthrough tips other than my videos here, they have like your first prints and different information you can learn about Glowforge over here, and then your design of the month. So that's pretty much the entire dashboard overview. You do have some other options I wanted to quickly point out. You have your catalog, your shop, community, and support. Under support, it's going to be basically these things over here, how to unbox your Glowforge. If you haven't unboxed it yet, you can do that, or you can go back to the first video in this playlist, and I have a detailed walkthrough guide on how to do that. And then the other one is community. If you have never used the Glowforge community yet, you'll want to do that. I can cover that more in depth in a future video, and try and be as short and concise to the point as possible. And then catalog and shop, like I said, we'll get to that in another video, but catalog is basically designs that you can download from Glowforge or purchase from them, and shop is where you can purchase wooden material from them. So that's pretty much it. That is the short condensed version and to the point here. We'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoy.